Hello, everyone. My name is Alexis Crook, Customer Success Manager here at ProSymmetry. In this video, I am going to be talking about financials. So the first place that you can see your financials is within Project Management. And if you click into a specific project, you can select the three dots over here. And here you can see financials. Now, where you can set up things like your categories, I have a second tab duplicated here. We can go into our admin settings and our financial categories here. So first thing that I want to point out, financials are non-labor related costs associated to that specific project. So these can either be positive or negative, and you can insert both into here. So as you can see, I have specific things set up as negative, such as travel, and then I have some things set up as positive, such as a grant. So in here, you can add new financial categories. You can give it a name, decide if it's positive or negative. You can also choose which type it is. And you can define these types over on this tab on the right side. And again, you can create a new type and then assign these specific categories to that type. So back to our project screen. You have the ability to toggle between a few different options here. You also have the ability to toggle between quarter, month. This is configured within our settings, but you can also see different granularities here. You also have the ability to include labor costs, which I can turn on in a second after I add some of these financial numbers in here. First thing I'm going to do is check out this project. Next, I'm going to add a new category. So let's say we got a grant in, let's go to December 22. Let's say it was $25,000. Another thing is we have travel. Let's say we have travel every month. Let's just do about 1,000, something like that. So within here, you can insert these different categories, and then you can define whether they are, in this case, you can see that this is negative. In this case, you can see this is positive, and then you'll get a total negative and a total positive roll. You also have the grand total over here, which will show you for all of the months what that grand total is, as well as the grand total, total net down here. Now, you do also have the ability to turn on your labor costs. So let's, in this instance, just use our allocation data set for this. Down here, you can see, let's go over here, our labor costs. And this is defined by the resource's default rate times the number of hours they are on that project. So you can see for December 2022, negative 41,000 in labor costs. And then down here, you can see what that grand total is going to be. You also, again, have this grand total here where you can see for all of these months what your grand totals are going to be. I believe that that was a very basic explanation of how to use financials and how to set them up within settings. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye. Thank you.